Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be reviewing this unit on me, this curly unit, and it's by Outre. It's called Shawni. This is what the model looks like on the stock card. She has this like dirty blonde look going on, but it's by Outre and it's the Swiss lace eye parting, so like that. But it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. But yeah, I love this unit. Look at the curls, and the curls is like a blunt cut curls. I love it. It is nice, and it's in the color 1B. I got it from Wigtypes and it was less than 30 bucks, so that's awesome. You get it for cheap and it looks nice. But that's what the parting space is like. I didn't pluck it or whatsoever. I just put a little powder at the in the part so it can pop a little bit, you know what I'm saying. For shedding, I got shedding on it because I cut into the hair. I really cut into the hair, so yeah, I've been getting shedding because of that. So, and tangling, it has not tangled whatsoever. As you can see, I am running my hands through it, my fingers through it, and it's just gliding right through it. There is no tangling or whatsoever, but as time goes by, I think it will tangle because it is touching your shoulder and it's rubbing off your clothes. So whenever you have hair sitting on your shoulder and it's touching the fabrics that you're wearing, there's a little friction going on, so it will tangle. But just comb your fingers through it and that should solve the problem. Oh, the thing I love about this unit is the cap that they use to make the unit with is very breathable. Like, hold on, it's like a mesh construction. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I love it. Like, you can wear it this summertime and you won't feel any kind of heat because it's a mesh. But yeah, the cap construction, so it has like two combs in the front as always, the comb in the back with your adjustable straps, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm gonna give you a 360 so you can see how this bad babe looks like. And there you go, guys. What do you think about Shawni? I love Shawni. I love it. But yeah, guys, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, I keep getting hair in my mouth. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.